Keeping good people, increasing productivity, and improving company culture are important goals for all New Zealand companies. Yours too, we're thinking. So wouldn't it be great if you could assist all of those goals with one amazing employee benefits program? Boost is an easy-to-run employee benefit program that's instantly available to every Kiwi corporation. It lets you top up employee remuneration with a benefits plan tied to popular retailers and service providers, or you can add your existing benefits to Boost for easy management. Boost is designed to help you keep the great people you've got, as well as attract the people you need when you need to recruit. Employees use the Boost phone app or Boost card to take advantage of everyday Boost discounts. They can also use the Boost app and website to access extra special deals and limited time offers. Boost will carry your company's branding so the program feels truly exclusive. There are 3 tiers of Boost membership to choose from, allowing you to tailor a benefits program that fits your team and your budget. Research shows that employees who feel recognised and valued are more likely to be loyal, positive, and productive. By rewarding them with Boost, you're giving your business a better chance of success in an increasingly competitive talent market. To find out more about Boost, visit myboost.co.nz.
Boost, your staff get access to offers and discounts at retailers throughout New Zealand. Plus, if you already have existing benefits, you can load them into the platform so you have all your employee benefits in one simple place. We're going to show you how easy and simple it is to get Boost set up for your team. The first step is to sign into the platform. When you're logged into Boost, you go to your dashboard and then customization. Customization allows you to make Boost truly your own. To load your logo, you click on Upload Image. Select the image you like. You can see here on the left hand side that the logo has been added, and you get a preview of how that logo will look. You can also get approval from others within your team. For example, if you have a marketing manager that would like to approve the logo, you can enter a new approver and they will be sent a copy of the logo and the design. The second step is to choose which offers are available to your team. You can also see more details of the individual offers available from suppliers. For example, here we have an offer from One Day Limited, and they have discounts on a wide range of products at low prices. So to disable, you simply click the button on the left hand side and it will no longer be available for your staff to use on the website. Simply scroll through all options, so you may choose to deselect a few more. You may also have your own offers that you want to add to the Boost platform. This is great if you already have an established employee benefit program. Click the Add Custom Offers button on the right hand side. Add an offer. The suppliers that you already have custom offers will be listed under supplier name. So for this example, I'm going to use Carter's. Carter's will be the display name that your staff will see, and you can also put it underneath a category. A category is where the supplier will appear when your staff are using the app or using the website to redeem or use the offers. So for Carter's, I'm going to put them under DIY. And with this offer that we have, we are going to say great discount at Carter's for our staff. Received 10% off on products in my shop in store. Now we also may need to provide some instructions for the cashier. So we may have some redemption instructions such as, please use account number XYZ and ask for staff ID. And we will say that it's not available online, and this offer is only available to our staff. So when you do load an offer in, it is only available to your staff. No other Boost users outside of your company will be able to see this offer. Now we need to give it an offer start date, so we'll get it to start today. And you can have it going forever, so if you want the offer to go for an indefinite amount of time, there'll be no end date. Otherwise, if it is just for a short time, you can provide an end date. So we'll just say that this offer is available until the end of the year. Now when your staff see the offer, they will, you will want to load an offer image. And so I have this nice image here that I'm going to load into the platform as well. So when my team see that we have an offer from Carter's, they'll also see this image here. And we go next. So here you get a summary of the offer that you've just loaded. So you can see we've loaded Carter's, it will be displayed as Carter's. There's an offer overview, and then you've got your start and end dates. You can confirm that offer. So we're going to confirm that, and now that will be loaded into the platform, ready for my staff to see. The last step that we want to take you through today is user management. And this is how we add users to the platform. So you can see that we've already got 24 users out of 1,000 potential users. We have the option down here to add users. So adding users is nice and simple. So there's two ways that you can load your users. The first one is individually. So we will add a user, and we can add another one. So if you have just a small list of users, this is probably the easiest way to load your users. Alternatively, if you have a large list of users, you can choose to bulk upload your users. Now if I click on next, I can then see my users. So we've got Jodie Smith and Cam Smith, and I click on confirm, and that will add the users. They will then be invited to the app. And you'll see these users appear down here once the system has loaded them. We now want to show you how easy it is for your staff to access the offers within the app. Once the app is loaded, they are able to scroll through and see the wide range of offers and retailers that are available to them. They can also click on a retailer to access additional information regarding the offer and how to redeem it in-store or online. The user can also update their details within the app. To receive your free trial, visit our sponsors page. Alternatively, you can visit our website at myboost.co.nz or email us at hello@myboost.co.nz.